Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and we're going to use the Google Maps application to share our location. This is my Google Maps. I'm going to open it and we have to select our profile on the top right. Click on your profile and you have to go to the location sharing. Okay, and click on share location, and then you can choose the duration when you want to share your real-time location. You can select for 1 hour or until you turn this off, and I'm just going to select for 1 hour. And then here we can choose where we want to share our real-time location. We can share it to chats, Instagram chats, and then Telegram or Gmail or maybe Facebook. It's up to you. And I'm just going to select my Telegram. I'm just going to share this link to my Telegram friends. Okay, and I'm just going to share it right here, guys. And then we can click on this send button to send the real-time location. As you can see that the location has been shared to this Telegram chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can share location on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.